and gentlemen, this drink is called the Shark Attack. You're gonna need some blood if there's a shark attack. Flip this up here, just to be cool. So we got some cherry vodka in there. Look at that cherry. Beautiful. Then we come behind that cherry vodka with a bit of grenadine. Beautiful. So we need to make our ocean or waterway or whatever. By the way, do you know there's saltwater crocodiles? Like, see, you could be out there swimming and get torn in half by a crocodile. I didn't see that until I saw something about Africa, okay? Whew. So we begin with tequila. Now, those of you that hate tequila, because there's some of you out there, okay? You're missing out on the good stuff. You could use vodka or even gin or whatever you want to use. This is America. Freedom reigns, homeboy. So let's go with some tequila first. Okay. To get the ocean, you need some blue curacao. I've seen your comments complaining about my use of this particular liqueur, okay? I love it. Mind your own business, okay? We have a personal relationship, right? Okay. A little bit of blue, create my nice little ocean. Look at that ocean. And now just to get our ocean right, we come behind with a little bit of lemon lime soda. You hear that pop? That's freshness. Listen to bubbles. Effervescence. Ask me to spell it. No. Okay. So we come behind with our little lemon lime. Beautiful. Now I could shake this, but because of the carbonation, I fear this might explode. Well, hey, only one way to find out, right? This is what science is all about. Science is right, okay? Never doubt science, okay? So as I was saying before, you don't want to shake this. You want to stir it, okay? Get your nice little stir on. All right, guys, so now we got our shot. And we grab our pint glass, and you want to rest it over. Make sure you got it like pressed in properly on the top of the glass, okay? So you can see it, you get it nice and sealed. And then once you got it sealed, you do the flip, and then gently let go. Come back down to the ground. Bang! And we just pour our ocean water right over it. See that? And there you have it, the Shark Attack. Okay, so what's going to happen? You're going to be out somewhere and you can just grab the plug and you pull it. Okay, that's as if you've just been bitten by a great white. Anyway, guys, don't hate sharks, okay? Sharks are just doing what they do, okay? You in their water, all right? Someone come in your house, wouldn't you bite them? Can't be biting people now, it's dangerous. All right, anyway, as always, drink responsibly, never drink and drive. Later.